Hello, this is for today's video of the Alps bus E7040, known as Samantha. It was from Batangas City Provincial and Metro Manila City's aircon. Instead of QC aircon, Metro Manila because it's Quezon City. So let's go inside of the Alps bus E7040 of bus sa Samantha. Look, yes. Brum brum brum. The first Alps bus, second Alps bus, W series, or Alps the bus incorporated, W series, X series, Y series, and Z series, P series, and also L series. You can maybe build a buses like Yutong ZK6107H8, Yutong ZK6122HD9, and look, only 3 live there. How many? This is so cool. So maybe arrive by a terminal of ticket number 3, ticket number 2, ticket number 1, Alps the bus, INC E7040. That is so good. Now time to try. Oops, I forgot a steering wheel. Yet it's here. Or I maybe change the body number. But my next is Alps the bus W741. Upcoming soon. Gang, 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 gang. Beep beep. Gang, gang. TB is big, also light, also a light. Wow, from Batangas City Provincial. Look, around is SMB City Batangas. Hello sa Batangas City Pier and Grand Terminal. Route is SMB City and Batangas City Grand Terminal, also Pier. The Alps bus E7047. Full people 50 or maximum people capacity 50. You can stand for it. If the passenger many seats them, you can stand. You can take about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. specialized for them with a bus of the visit from a license plate. For example, mine is Region 4A. And from that you will see about the TV, yung logo, and yung site. Ticket, look. SM Lipa, schedule. First trip, 7 a.m. trip. And last trip to 9 p.m. From Cubao, look. Batangas City Provincial. Destination, this is called destination side of the Alps Pass. Where the example has Batangas City Provincial and Metro Manila Cities Aircon. All cities like Paranaque, Quezon City, also Makati. It might be sunset yet because it's getting dusk. And from routes update of the province on Alps Bus. Yep, subscribe. See you. Bye. It's end now. Goodbye.